This video shows how to work with HoloChat in SolidGenius model. There are several methods to create holes with Creo Elements direct modeling. With machined model, with holes menu of SolidGenius, and manually by 2D creation of wall plane and punch function. The good advice is to produce your holes by using the machining model of Creo Elements Direct. When you use other methods, no hole info is contained as a 3D model, so the process becomes more difficult. In this case, the intelligent analyze function of SolidGenius should be used before creating the whole chart. Analyze recognizes surfaces, intersections, and gives assumptions about the type of hole. Select part, then you can see how many holes created by known machining method. To define these holes, click Recognize, and then you see that new types of holes appears in the dialog window: 4 simple holes and 1 threaded hole. Also, you can assign user definition by any holes by teaching function. Select necessary holes and assign name, then click Save. Open Analyze dialog window and click Recognize. You see that teaching holes appears now. Hole chart functionally helps to create a whole table from any view of annotation. Go to the annotation and create the views, for which you need to create the whole chart. Create the top, front and left views to have all the holes at least one time visible. Select the Create command in the Hole Table section. The whole chart data dialog appears. First of all, select the view to produce the whole chart, for by pressing the View button and clicking the view in the sheet. Then indicate the chart content, whether you will create a new chart for quite simple paths or add some holes to already existing table. Decide whether you need to have only visible holes in the table for the certain view, or all the holes also located in the lower planes parallel to the view. For creating a whole chart, you have to define a reference point as a start point for the whole coordinates definition and drilling instrument movements while manufacturing. We can define the reference point in two ways: either to select a point in 2D and respective one in 3D. Select to the point on view. Finally, we can click Create Hole Chart. The general view of the whole chart looks like the following. Work with the arrows in the right upper corner of the chart to increase or decrease the table size. Tolerance and description are user customizable columns. It means the user can add or change the entries in the tolerance and description columns for a hole. To do it, find the hole description in the chart and select the row by clicking. Type your text in the right field or choose from the list one on the left side. Click plus to add text into the whole chart. SolidGenius offers you a possibility to sort an array of information in the whole chart by certain order. Select the column which data will be sorted in the bottom of the table. Numerical values for x, y, z, depth, diameter, tolerance will be placed from the smallest value to the biggest, or vice versa if you click the Definite button one more time. To add position numbers, go to the SolidGenius Annotation, Position Numbers section and select Create button. Select the view which was used for the whole chart organization. There are two ways to number the holes, automatic and manual. To put all the numbers work with the automatic section, click Put All. To delete all the numbers from the view, select Delete and define the view. To number holes manually when you don't need to put all the position, use Manual Select Hole. Click first an hole in the view and then a place for the number image.